Hello all, welcome to EduBridge India Private Limited. I am Kiran Sharkey, Training Manager at EduBridge. Today we have one of our students, Mr. Arnab Banerjee with us. He has completed EXL Certified Data Analytics course from Bangalore Center and he got a placement also. He is very happy with EduBridge and EXL services. Today, Mr. Arnab Banerjee is with us to share his training experience. So let's start. Hi Arnam, welcome to EduBridge India Private Limited and thanks for joining with us for this video testimonial.
Hi sir, thanks for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you. So
Thank you,
Arnav,
sir.
let us know about your educational background and family background.
Yes, sir. I have done MCA from Heritage Institute of Technology, which is in Kolkata, in 2020, and I have completed BCA from CCOM Management College in 2016. And my family background is my father is a retired person. He was working in a railway employee, and my mother is a housewife, and my grandfather is a he also was a railway employee. Now he is a retired person, and thanks for the EXL for giving me this opportunity via this EduBridge I got the so much knowledge from this, and thanks to EXL and EduBridge also.
Thank you Arnav. So Arnav, how did
Thank
you
you,
came to
sir.
know about EduBridge?
Sir, I have seen this EduBridge in the Naukri as well as and the other portals, and I have applied there for data analyst portion. And some of the person who called me and for this kind of these kinds of course is offering the EXL via EduBridge, and I have taken this course.
Very good.
And the cost of this course is very low, and they are providing lot of things. That's why I have taken this course.
Very good, very good. So
Yes, sir.
Arnav, how do you think this course has shaped you as a person?
Yes, sir. Because I have seen from first day of this training that lot of modules are the communication and aptitude and lot of technical knowledge. And this communication and aptitude and talk technical knowledge made me that I am very enough that I have got so many knowledge that make me very proudful that these modules made me very proudful. So
Very good. So
I'm
which
very
part
impressed.
yeah, thank you. So which part of the course did you find most interesting?
I think everything, all parts is very interesting, but the most is the thing I am impressed for the domain knowledge and the communication skill. If according to me, I think that if someone does not know too much of the English, the communications it will be improved lot of. The trainer is creating a balanced for all of them who are taking the knowledge, and he's too good, and the communication modules are too good, and the domain knowledge and the aptitude everything is too good.
Very good. Thank you. So
Yes,
how
sir.
do you find our learn by yourself module?
Yes, sir. I found the modules are everything is over there. The networking and data interpretation and in aptitude and communication and overall in domain knowledge in MongoDB, Python and everything over there. But I think everything is fine. Everything is good. But I need to. I think that it's there is if we change something little bit of change, I think it will be best. I think according to me. So
Okay, Arnav, thank you. Thanks for giving your advice. We will take your advice as an input and definitely we will work on it.
thank you, sir.
Yeah. So Arnav, what can we do to make your overall training experience even better?
Yes, sir. I think according to me, if the length of the training is if you increase that thing, if you increase the timing of length of the because it taking 3 months, if you increase the 4 months or 4.5, it will help you. It will student help me a lot because I am saying communication. It's not a problem because it 2 weeks it's good, and domain knowledge it's giving it's enough, but the aptitude if you increase the 2 weeks or 3 weeks more it will be enough for.
Okay, okay, definitely. You mean to say to increase the tenure of the course.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Timing,
so
sir. If you increase the timing.
yeah. So definitely I will take this ahead and we will work on that also.
Okay, sir.
Would you recommend EduBridge and its courses to your friend and relatives?
Yes, sir. I recommend my friends and families because Excel is giving me that great opportunity via Adobe. The fees of the course is too low, and if you compare with others institutes are over there, online institute providing lot of things, but the Adobe is providing lot of things. If you compare the price, the price is too low because Adobe is providing, and I think that's the thing I will recommend. This is the first point, and second point, if I see the modules, the trainer is too good, is too friendly. They if I face them in any problem, but trainers all time, if I call them, if I ask them anytime, they solve the problem. And even they solve the, if they start up from the beginner. If someone who doesn't have any knowledge in the communication and the programming skill, they doesn't think the trainer takes them as a very friendly and teach them is a very beginners for knowledge they gives him. I think that's the second point. I think everyone can learn from the Adobe.
Okay, thanks Arnav.
Thank you, sir.
And my last question is that you are already got place in one of the organization. So please share your experience, how you are feeling. Just share some thoughts with
Yes,
us.
sir. I think it's a very proudful moment for me because I got a job in some company, but I got in a developer position. I didn't get in a data analysis position, but I think it's helped me a lot because I need a job because the situation is going on. We all know that from 1.5 years is going. So I think it gave me a lot of happiness because they were I think after completing 1 or 2 years I can go the data analysis opportunities because I got huge knowledge from Excel which is provided by Adobe. I think I will also thankful for Excel as EXL as well as Adobe because they have given a lot of knowledge. And I think first point is the price. It's I think it can be considerable with the course is fees too less. It's not the other institutes, they will never give like that.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
totally impressed with that.
Thank you, Arnav. Thanks
Thank
for
you,
your
sir.
valuable time sharing thoughts with us also.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Have a good day. Thanks for
Yes, sir.
joining with us.